Hi there, my name is Elaine Jarvis, and I do so much litigation in the area of consumer protection that I thought I would make a series to keep you out of court. How do you stay out of court? Let's keep you from getting screwed. I'm going to start with car dealerships, and I'm going to try to go over one or two tips to help you, the consumer, every time I make a video. So one of the first videos is don't buy from out of state. And if you do, be really, really careful. What happens a lot in Virginia, and we live in Northern Virginia, about 65 miles west of DC. So we've got 3 states where we could buy a car. Now, nobody goes into DC to buy a car, but a lot of people from DC go to Maryland or Virginia to buy a car. Where should you buy a car from? Well, I'm a Virginian. But unfortunately, I got to tell you, don't buy a car here in Virginia if you're from out of state. Why? Because the inspection laws in Virginia are not nearly as severe or strict or helpful to consumers as Maryland's. And if you're coming from a state like Maryland and you buy a car in Virginia, there's a very real possibility, not a probability, but a possibility that the car is going to pass a Virginia inspection and fail a Maryland inspection, which means you'll buy a car that you won't be able to legally drive in Maryland or any other state other than Virginia. And once you purchase that car, if it's from out of state, you're still going to need to get it inspected in the state where you live. So that's my tip number 1, how not to get screwed buying a car in Virginia. Don't buy a car in Virginia or if you're from out of state. And if you do buy a car, make sure you come and do a personal visit yourself. That's my recommendation. Thanks for listening. Jarvis Law.